3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the Ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolizali, a mastermind of campanology, KTR Kyle the Ringer.
What's ringing, guys? It's Kyle doing here, and today is a video of a test of the fire alarms of my house. Dad doing never tests them, and when there were some firefighters that came to my house to do this fire safety check, because I just turned 18 in July, and they came round to do a fire safety check and fire alarm check of the house, and since Dad doing never does it, they've told me to test every week. So every week on Fridays there will be a test vid of testing the alarms of the house. So we've got this one to test here, then we've got this one here and the one upstairs. They are really loud, so just a warning in case the vid's too loud because of the alarm. Make sure you turn down your volume. So now to test this one here. It doesn't look like it's going off.
Hold it in there, I think.
Oh, that might be it.
Big button in the middle.
Ah, it's, yeah, that's how you do it. Well, that's the confusion then, because they usually have you usually just press them once.
They're a newer type, mate, a newer model
Yeah.
for safety reasons.
Alright, now we've got this fire engine one here, then we've got the one upstairs, and then the middle end after we've tested them. Alright, now to go test the one upstairs, and then the vid's done, and Dad the Ringer can stop complaining about the fire alarm test. Dad the Ringer always complains when we try test alarms. I don't know why he always complains, but after this, and it's done going off the vid'll be ending. Right, there we go. Now that's the test done. Now Dad the Ringer can stop complaining. So this is it. I just heard him say I'm not complaining. Anyways, now this is the end of the vid, so Dad the Ringer can stop complaining. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe for future content, and until next time, ring out.
Check it out.